Alright. Good afternoon, everybody. This is just another quick down and dirty proof of life video. This is another Kato N-scale Big Boy steam locomotive that's been converted to ESU LokSound. So this is number 4 so far. And I think I've streamlined out about just every inefficiency in these things. And I shaved another half hour off of time. I don't think I can go down more than a few minutes on the install beyond that. But definitely after what I kind of expected between 3 and 5 of these, and I'd get it down. And anywho, this has a full-size V5 in it, dual sugar cube setup. The headlight has been modified so it's actually DCC controlled. Ooh, look at that. Look at that headlight go on and off. There's a rear light on there too, but I'm not flipping this thing around to show you. Yeah, ESU stock Big Boy sound file. Made a few tweaks to it. Anywho. Well, there we go. Kato Big Boy, number 4 with ESU LokSound installed. So this guy is currently for sale. He does not have a home, but I ordered a couple more, so I'm going to do a few more of these, and not sure where I'm going with that. But yeah, so anyways, streamlining the process. These are getting a bit faster. Full ESU LokSound install. And I don't know. That's all I got. Have a great day.